Okay, let's have a closer look at something we should be all doing before and after a ride, and that is applying chain lube to your chain. Now I use Motul off-road chain lube because it's specifically for off-road chains. Now because it's made for dirt bikes, it reduces friction and loss of power, increases chain durability, has no effect on O-rings, X-rings or Z-rings, and it also has a solvent to eliminate old residue and to penetrate into the links. And it's fluorescent yellow, which makes it really easy to tell that you're putting it on the chain. So go down to your local dealer and check it out, the Motul off-road chain lube. You're going to use it all the time.